Hi, this is a challenge number 11, and my team is the number 5. And today I'm gonna explain the code and how it works. Well, at first in the code, the first thing that we do is declare the variables. We have here 6 variables. After that, we go to the void setup, and here we put if all the pins are output or input. In this case, all the pins are output. That means that they are gonna receive information. They just send information to our car. After that, we start the function of our circuit. Well, at first, the first thing that we can do is here we're saying the value of the speed, and I'm gonna here in this part I'm gonna say that the speed is gonna function for both of our motors here. Well, after that, I'm gonna say that the both of the motors are gonna function. I'm gonna go forward for 3 seconds. Then I'm gonna stop them, and then I'm just gonna move the motor A, so it's gonna turn to the right. That is gonna do it's gonna do that for 1 second. After that, I'm gonna stop both motors for 2 seconds, and then I'm gonna move both motors to forward again for 3 seconds. Then I'm gonna stop both for 2 seconds. Then I'm just gonna move the motor A for 1 second, and like you can see, it's the same for every single part here. It's actually the same. And then at the last part, I'm just going to turn off both motors, as you can see. Well, if we go to the circuit, we can see here our car. We have an Arduino. This thing right here, it's for the motors. With this thing, we make that the two motors works. So in this part we have the IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4, ENB, and ENA. In this part, here we have the ground, the 5 volts, and in these parts, these ones right here are the ones which make the motors works. Unfortunately, in our car, I don't know why, because all the circuit, it's okay, it's perfect, but it doesn't work. I don't know why. So what I did is connect directly the batteries to one of the motors. So I'm gonna put the batteries in my Arduino. And the last one. And the motor right here it starts to move, but it's not follow the instructions to the Arduino. I don't know why, because I did perfectly the circuit, but that's it. So thank you. I hope you like it, and I hope you understand why it is doesn't function. So thank you.